Hi subscribers, hi viewers. As you're aware that recently I visited a Chinese factory for product and factory inspection. This is my journey from the train station to the factory, and this was the presentation. And now I want to talk about the importance, like I always emphasize, of visiting a factory. You get to see the quality of your products, you get to see the manufacturing standards of your product, and you get to inspect your products and build a relationship with your suppliers by getting to know each other. In this way, is if you are placing your orders, you're less likely to get any rejects or any problematic orders. Yes, I have visited some backyard factories, and on one occasion when I left the factory, I was coughing. I had inhaled some dust. That's the importance of visiting a factory, to understand the quality of your products. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.